Care Insights came about by working with a number of organisations in community care. They're all going through the same challenges about how do they use their data to provide greater insight and business value.
Care Insights is a data analytics platform designed solely for the community care industry. It's accessing data they already have using their CMS system and just displaying it in a really visual way using Microsoft Power BI.
The problem that we solve with Care Insights is making data available to organisations to allow them to maximise the services that they provide.
What's great about Care Insights is that it really is plug and play. So we've done all of the hard work up front with working with the CMS providers, gathering the data that they need and formatting it in graphs and visualisations that can be used right away.
The data for Care Insights is all stored inside of an organisation's environment, meaning that it doesn't leave their boundaries. The Power BI reports are all delivered directly out of the Microsoft Azure Trusted Cloud.
So rather than them having to collect new data or try and aggregate data, we're just tapping into the data that they have in their CMS system and displaying it in a way that's really useful and easy to understand.
Community Care's had a number of changes, some actually regulatory, some actually driven by government. But the biggest change was the NDIS, the National Disability Insurance Scheme. This changed the way that organisations needed to obtain their funding and the services they needed to provide it for their clients, meaning that they needed more access to their data to make timely business decisions.
Organisations need to be making data-driven decisions and find out how they can become more profitable or how they can increase efficiency or even just understanding their customer base better so that they can deliver a better quality of service to their clients.
Care Insights enables organisations to do more with less and deliver better service offerings to the people that need it most.